Hello students and welcome to lesson 3. So in lesson 3.1 you were to finish up a paragraph which was task 2 based on the American Voices previous task of annotations. Now we're going to put everything together and look at how do we complete our summative final assignment for this American Voices unit. So basically you're going to do the same thing that you've been doing. You're going to have a bunch of options. You could choose any one of these. So it could be from Danger of a Single Story. There are 2 options of that. Sure, you can ask me a personal question, the New Colossus, or a new one by Walt Whitman if you wish to do that. Now these will need to be turned into Turnitin because the expectation is that you are doing the work on your own. So just remember that if you are looking up outside sources, that this needs to be your own work because we will be checking it. Okay. The next thing to remember is once you choose it, then you will copy. Hello student, that this needs to be your own work because we will be checking it. Okay. The next thing to remember is once you choose it, then you will copy and paste it in this section here. And you're going to annotate according to the directions that you have been using all along in this unit. You should have 12 to 15 annotations and you should have some from each of these. Once you finish with your annotations, then just like you've done before, you're going to find a theme statement and analyze the paragraph with a blended quote. So your first step would be to write a theme statement in the following manner with the in this passage from, and then your chosen passage, your author, your verb, and then your theme statement. Once you do that, you're going to choose a quote and blend it, and then you write an analysis. Be sure to quote the quote in your analysis by choosing specific 1 to 2 words that support this thesis statement or theme statement in your analysis. And then you're going to type a reflection, just answering questions. Any of these or all of these, but you should get 6 to 10 complete sentences in paragraph form about what you were thinking about, what you learned about your annotations and writing and your text. Here's an example of
is it stitches or glue?
paragraph. Where did it go? Well, I'll have to find it for you, but there is an example of this paragraph.
I'm thinking.
And it's in our folders, and so I will show you that as well.
Okay. Sounds good.
So you will have a helpful resources folder in the American Voices unit, and it will be at the top. And in it, it explains every single task separately.
Yeah.
And the example paragraph is here.
Okay, thanks.
So it has a theme statement there, a blended quote, an analysis which has these little quote-the-quote words that explain the text. I'll give another video based directly on the paragraph in the next section. I just wanted to give you an overview of what this unit is about. It's all focused on the summative. So the first one is a formative one in lesson 3.1, which you're going to write a paragraph based on the previous task 1 from last week. And then the rest of your unit will be working on this summative paragraph. So good luck, and I'll do another video with more specifics about